Welcome back to Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make mushroom gravy with meatballs. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to turn on our heat up our pan. To that we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. And we're going to let that come up to the smoke point. Alright, now that we got that heated up to smoke point, we're going to add our mushrooms in there. And we're going to sweat those down. For that we're going to add 1 clove of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of pepper. And we're just going to stir that around until they all get nice and sweated down. Alright, now that those have been sweat down and they've tenderized, we're ready to take those out. And we're going to set those aside for now. Alright, so first up we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Get that melted down. Alright, and then to that butter we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. We're going to mix that up until it makes a nice little paste. This is room for our sauce. Now that we got that sauce made up, we're going to add 2 cups of broth. We're going to mix that up. We're going to let that go until it starts to thicken. Alright, now we're going to season that with about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a dash of salt. Get that mixed in there. Now we're going to add the mushrooms back in. Get them evenly dispersed in there so the gravy gets on everything. And then we're going to add some meatballs. I'm going to cook that a little bit longer so those meatballs, make sure that they're fully heated up and cooked, and those mushrooms get integrated into that gravy. Alright, we're going to let that simmer for about 2 minutes. Alright, now that that's all ready, we're ready to serve. Best served on top of egg noodles. And there you go. Doesn't that look delicious? And there you have mushroom gravy with meatballs. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.